Alright guys, welcome back to another trading recap. So, I haven't been posted, I don't even know the last time I posted, but it's been a second and yeah. So if you saw in the title of the video, let me adjust this really quick. We made exactly $1,000 today and 40 cents. So, I'll be going over a quick two trades, or is it three? No, it's two. Okay, so I'll be going over two trades I took that passed this, and now we are trading back on funded. So we made $1,500 on the dot on both of these trades. So I'll hop right into this. So let's see. I took this trade on February 9th. So I passed this relatively quick. I think I passed this in one day. But yeah. So okay. So coming into this trade, I think I just okay, yeah, I remember this trade. So I ended up just targeting buy side liquidity. Oopsie. Yeah. Give me one sec. Okay, so for this trade, we had strong displacement. We were in a strong downtrend. I put my stop right here. Nice little 1 to 2. I just targeted this sell side liquidity, and it played out relatively quick. So yeah, not really much about that trade. And then this is February 9th, so that same day I traded at night. So I was trading Asia session, and what this trade was, so we had a 5-minute FEJ here, another not oh 1 to 3 on this one, and okay, my stop got adjusted. It was here originally, but we ended up entering after the inversion of this 30-second FEJ. Right, you can see here, and then we had strong displacement to the downside. Played out relatively really quick too. So yeah, this is a quick trade. Nice little 1 to 3 right here, and we passed the eval. So I thought I was going to have to, because I don't know, I made $2 extra than 1,500, and it said I had to make like 50 more dollars. But then I checked this morning. This is, yeah, it's February 10th. So I checked this morning, and I was able to activate the express account. So pretty nice. Passed the 50K top step eval in one day, and now we are trading on Express. So I originally was not going to trade at all today, and we ended up getting an opportunity to trade. So didn't even do no pre-market analysis. I wasn't even expecting it. And then I checked on the dashboard, and boom, I activated it. So I was able to catch this really quick trade. Yeah, we had some really nice longs today. If you guys were able to get that, targeting these highs right here, plus continuation, some hourly highs, and pretty good longs today. So I was looking for a retracement on top of this, right? We were so bullish. I was watching, and then I was looking for a setup to see, and I wasn't planning on trading, but we finally got something here. So I was looking for a retracement, and coming onto the 5-minute, you can see here we just kept on trending higher. No bearish candles at all with this uptrend, and then we created this huge imbalance right here, this 5-minute, as well as this 5-minute here. So this huge imbalance, right, you can see in the gray shaded area, that says 5-minute FEJ, was going to be my target. So I knew price was going to come down and tap into this if we were going to continue higher or trend lower or just be choppy, right? So we ended up coming up. We took out these 5-minute highs, and then from this we ended up getting strong reaction, right? So we had this a little bit of manipulation, and then started distributing. Started distributing to the downside, right? So my original target, to be completely honest, was at the very bottom of this 5-minute. Why? Because I was personally thinking that we were going to come down and fill the whole entire 5-minute FEJ. So originally, right, you can see I had this 1 to almost 2. It's like a 1 to 1.7 RR. Originally, my stop was like down here, right? Why was it down here too? You can see on the 1 minute we have imbalance here. We have just imbalance all on this leg, right? This bullish leg from market open. So originally I had a little 1 to 3, but then I ended up changing my overall TP from this to just the 5 minute FEJ, right? So yeah, my TP was right here, and then eventually we ended up coming up. If I left my stop loss here, like if I had it here, it would have been a long trade. Like we wouldn't hit our TP until like 9 a.m. So to me, that was just not really the most ideal. But we ended up having our stop right around here. Okay, so coming into this trade, this is the trade I took on the Express. We ended up having a little bit of reaction and then huge displacement from this. I I was personally looking to see what we did off this 1 minute and seeing how fast we would come down in this place and if we were gonna have a reaction wick or what from this 1 minute FEJ, right? Let's see. Oh, where'd you go? Okay. So as you can see here, why I entered a little bit earlier, you can see we had this 30-second FEJ2 where this 1 minute was, and I ended up entering as soon as we almost passed this, and then I just entered. So I entered with not too many contracts at first. I think I entered with like 5, and then once we had strong displacement lower, and I knew we were going to come down to target the 5 minutes, I ended up adding another 15 contracts on NQ. So in total, 20 contracts on this trade played out within. Actually, this is a really quick trade. Holy. I think we hit full TP within. Whoa. Mongolians start singing. We hit TP within like 2 minutes. So, and then we wigged, and then we ended up coming up higher, and we were just really choppy from there. But yeah, in 2 minutes we made $1,000, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I was done trading at this point when it hit. It was 7:14, so I just logged off, closed the charts, wasn't gonna overtrade or give any more money back to the market. Right? You take a win, you get a loss, you log off, and just take it, right? So you can see we up 1,000, and that's pretty much it. First trade on this account. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys. So some updates, some news. I am going to start live recording my whole entire trade session from a few minutes before market open, and then when I usually trade. So I trade from 6:30 a.m. market open to 8:30. So I'm gonna be recording most of it. I'm gonna end the recording at like 7:45 a.m. just because I have to go to school. So, but I will keep you guys updated if when I take any trades. But yeah, I will be going and live recording my trades. So I'll be posting my whole entire thoughts, my whole entire pre-market analysis going into each day, and I'll just try for a bit and see how you guys like that. And then on top of that, and so I can also just like in a trade recap like this, I can put my live trade and how I'm going break even, and if I get stopped, TP, whatever, so on and so forth, right? So it's just something new I wanted to try. So how that's gonna look is that I'm gonna be posting when I take a trade, right? I'm gonna be posting 2 videos on one trading day. So I'll be posting the trade recap like these, right? So a shorter form video, and then I'll be posting the live full trade. So you guys can either watch the recap or watch me doing the whole session, right? The whole trading session when I trade. So if you guys like it, then I'll keep it and we'll see how it goes. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated. Peace.